In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly transition your email hosting to GoDaddy while using HostGator for web hosting. If you're in this situation, no worries, I've got you covered. Let's walk through the process together step by step. First things first, you need to log into your GoDaddy email account. Go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to the GoDaddy website. Look for the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Click on it and you'll be taken to the login page. Enter your email address and password associated with your GoDaddy account. Once you log in, you'll land on your account dashboard, where you should be able to see all the services you have with GoDaddy, including email hosting. This initial setup is crucial because accessing your account ensures that you have the necessary credentials to link everything together smoothly. Now that you're logged into GoDaddy, let's move to HostGator and update the MX records. This part requires accessing your HostGator cPanel. Open another tab in your browser and log into your HostGator account. Once inside, navigate to your cPanel, typically accessible through a direct link from your account dashboard. In cPanel, look for the section labeled Email and click on the icon for MX Entry or MX Records. This area is where you'll make the changes needed for email routing to go through GoDaddy servers. In this section, you'll likely see existing records that need to be replaced. Locate the option to edit or modify these records. You'll want to add GoDaddy's MX server details here. Be sure to get the MX server addresses straight from your GoDaddy account to ensure accuracy. Replacing HostGator MX records with GoDaddy is essential for directing your emails correctly. Once you've updated the MX records, it's important to verify the DNS records to ensure that your emails route properly through the updated settings. Go back to your GoDaddy account and find the DNS management section. Check the DNS zone file for your domain and verify that all the entries, particularly the MX records, reflect the changes you made in HostGator's cPanel. This verification step is critical to troubleshoot any issues that could arise if emails are not being delivered as expected. Finally, let's talk about configuring your email client to work with GoDaddy's email servers. Depending on your preferred email client, whether it's Outlook, Apple Mail, or another, the process to add a new email account can vary slightly. Generally, you will go to the Accounts section within your client and choose the option to add a new email account. You'll need to input your GoDaddy email address and password here. Be sure to select the proper incoming and outgoing mail server settings, which are usually available in your GoDaddy email setup panel. It's always a good idea to test sending and receiving a few emails to ensure everything is working correctly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your email is routed efficiently through GoDaddy servers while maintaining your web hosting with HostGator. Remember, taking the time to check each step will help ward off potential issues later on. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.